Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day where you are. And we are now down to 2 mystery boxes to open. I am going to be opening the premium box, or the deluxe box, which is the second box you should get. I ordered all 3, so if you want to see my mini box opening, you can watch my latest video of that. But this is the box we're going to be opening today. It is the white one. Now, I mentioned in the other video the packaging. So in this packaging, you have the Jeffree Star logo, of course, the mystery logo, and a snowflake. Now, the green one had a Christmas tree, which was the mini one, and then we'll see the red one when we do the big one. So if you want to see what I got in this mystery box, then keep on watching. Alright, so we got this box. We need to open it, and like I mentioned in my past video, I ordered all 3 of these, and they all came in a big box. Usually he ships these all separate, and they don't come in one box, but they did, so I was super excited about that because I wanted them all to come around the same time to film. Now, if you want to see any of my other mystery boxes ever, you can find them on my channel. They're in my unboxings playlist on my channel, so if you want to check those out, you can, and we're going to try to open this, but this box is very, we got it. Alright, so we're trying to open it. Okay, so in this box there's supposed to be a mystery liquid lip, and I'm super excited to see what it is. Alright, this is what we got. We're gonna set it over here. Opening, we have the same green sticker, green packaging. We have more of the stickers that we got in the first box, which I think is really cool. I really do like these, so I think this is sick. There also, like I said in the other video, was a bunch of stuff going on. A lot of people didn't like them for the mini because it was one of the main items, but I think this is cool. Doesn't really bother me, but these are sick. So that's all I gotta say. And holy crap! Did we just get a full-size palette in a Jeffree Star mystery box? Not a mini. We just got Blue Blood. What? Okay. Okay, Jeffree Star. Alright, so this is Blue Blood. This is literally one of his top selling palettes right now. Let's open her up, give her a great reveal. Alright. Like, what? Look at this. Literally gorgeous. Gorgeous. Blue Blood is a gorgeous palette. I so love it. If you want to see my Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection haul, that's not a haul, I don't know why, this is the second video I said haul. If you want to see my Jeffree Star collection, literally just watch that video. It is 45 minutes long, so grab a snack, sit down, relax. You're going to be there a fat minute. But this, oh my goodness, guys, my favorite shade. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Should I swatch this? You guys want me to swatch this? Because I will swatch my own. Because I already own Blue Blood because I got it when it launched. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. So I will grab my Blue Blood to swatch for you. Guys, and we still have 2 more items in there. 3 more items in our mystery box. So I'm grabbing Blue Blood. Don't mind me. This is my Blue Blood. Packaging, gorgeous as ever. Blue clasp. This is my Blue Blood. She's beautiful. So we're going to swatch these colors for you. So we're going to go with Cullen, Mint Tea, Crystal Flush, which is my favorite shade. I'm Cold. And then we're going to do Untouchable on our thumb. We're going to see how that works out. Maybe not that well. I'm cold again just because it's this light blue. All right, so this is Cullen, Mint Tea, Crystal Flesh, I'm Blue, and Untouchable. I use Untouchable a lot too. Those are my freaking favorite shades. Next we have Priceless, which is just your normal, like, good crease shade. Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, and Ice Tray. Now, I really love these names of the colors. These are the colors we're going to be swatching. We have, I'm going to try to do this. We're going to do it on this side of my arm. So, that's how we're going to do it. One shade you're not really going to be able to tell because it's basically my skin tone. Here we go. You guys know I suck at swatching. I really do. Okay, so this one that you can't really tell is Priceless, Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, and Ice Tray. Very beautiful shades because they are all blue. Next, we have Blue Monday, Flourishing, Wealthy, which is another color that's probably not really going to show up because it's more of a bone shade, Celebrity Skin in an eyeshadow form, and Entitled. These are the shades we are doing. We're going to see if they show up. If they don't, I'm sorry. Oh, jeez. All right, so this is Celebrity Skin. This one's Wealthy that you don't really get to see. This one is Flourishing. This is Entitled, and this one is Blue Monday. I swatched them way out of order. And we have 3 shades left, so we're probably going to do them right here on my arm. Now, if you want to see me do a video of this whole palette, it is on my channel. It is me doing a first impressions of the Jeffree Star video. So we're going to be doing Ocean Ice, Cremated, and Undertaker. These shades are super gorgeous, and I barely had to do anything on them. So this is Ocean Ice, Cremated, and Undertaker. Very gorgeous shades. I really do love this palette. Crystal Flesh is literally my all-time favorite shade. It is the shade literally right here, if it'll focus. So beautiful. I really do enjoy this. We're going to take these off of my hand so that I don't get any of them anywhere else on me, because that would be bad, because I did that when I had to do the mini breaker palette. But I think this is so cool that we got a palette. Like, every launch for Mystery Box, he's done something different. And this time he's giving people what they want. And a lot of people weren't able to get Blue Blood because it did sell out. Did I get it all up for me? Okay, I got it all for me. And I think that's really cool that we got one. I just ended up having it because I got it when it launched. Like I said, the palette I swatched is my own palette. This is mine. This was from my little drawer. So this one is mine. Oh. Now we have 3 more things in this box. We have a liquid frost. This is in Frozen Peach. I don't have this one either, and I literally just mentioned how I only have 1 liquid frost, and it was from a mystery box, so here's my other one. This is what Frozen Peach looks like, if I could show it to you guys the right way. I gotta open this box. Alright, now it says on here, it says Frosty, Divine, Magical, Liquid Lighting in a Bottle, and Metallic and Glitter. I don't want to, if I say that last word, I'm going to get demonetized. Sure. Not going to. Beauty tip is to apply product with a damp beauty sponge, synthetic brush, or your fingers. And it can be applied to any part of the face and body that you want to accentuate. This is the packaging, super cute. This is Frozen Peach. She's super gorgeous. First, in my Jeffree Star Cosmetics video that I just did, I'm obsessed with this packaging. I don't know why. I love that. Literally love that. So we're going to swatch this and see what it looks like. This is what she looks like in the bottle. I'm gonna put, oh geez, we put a little bit too much. Put a big glob of it on, so we're gonna see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's so gorgeous. really do love it. I just can't believe I put that much on. We're gonna let it dry and see what happens, but this is Frozen Peach. I'm so excited that I got another one of these. I've been wanting another one of these. All right, we have 2 liquid lips in this box. So the first one we have is Coral Fixation, and this is from summer 2 years ago, and I do not have this shade either. But look at this packaging. It has the water droplets on it, if you can see them. They're like right there. So this is gonna be cute. I don't have this one. This is what it looks like. It is a beautiful orangey red, mostly orange. We're going to shake it up first. But this is the packaging. It's got the orange because that was his summer thing 2 years ago. And we're going to swatch this for you. This is a beautiful, this is more of a, this is a corally like orange, more orange. This is very beautiful. This is what it looks like right here. Super gorgeous. And then for the item you've all been waiting for, this is the mystery shade for Christmas time. It has the little stocking on here with the mystery. I'm assuming it is a red, because that's what it looks like. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna look. All right, you guys are seeing it first. I really hope this is in the shot. I really hope this is in the shot because I can't really tell. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. This is like poinsettia. Look at this. All right, we're swatching here. This is literally just mystery. And the stocking on it's super cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous and it's so buttery. That is what it looks like. I'm like hoping you can see the, if I move it around, it has glitter in it. It's so beautiful, but it's like red glitter. This is literally gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Very beautiful. Holy crap, now I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of the deluxe mystery box. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment in the comment section down below if you ordered any mystery boxes, which ones did you get and what did you get in yours. If you want to be the next post notification shout out, all you need to do is hit that bell button and comment done down below to let me know that you clicked the bell. And that's how you become the next post notification shout out. If you're not in the first video that I do a shout out for, you'll be in the next one or the next one, depending on how many people shout it out, because I want to try to get everybody who shouts out to be on the post notification shout out screen. All, like not all at once, but I want everyone to at least be on there once before I do other people, unless it's someone who's already had it on, but they just say done again, and that's the only person who ends up saying done. This person is going to be it. Very long and confusing. And hit that subscribe button if you want to join the fam. That'd be fun. We'll be posting a lot more content. And if you want to see my next Jeffree Star mystery box, you just gotta watch the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.